Hey guys, this is Holly with Grindworks, and today it is Halloween. Happy Halloween, all you guys out there. And in honor of the day, we are talking about all of the spookiest knives that you can get at Grindworks. And we just might have a little surprise for you guys at the end, so stick with us. Welcome. Let's get started. So first off here, we have got the Dark Side Blades Ballistic Spider Blue Spring-Assisted Knife. It's pretty tame here, not terribly spooky. We got some webs, we got some spiders going on. Got some good action, nice blade shape, liner lock, pocket knife. Got our webs and spiders on the other side too. So if you're looking for something a little different, a little fun, that's a fun little knife there. This one you can get for $6.99. Check the site for current pricing, but $7 is about what it runs right now. And then some of you might be familiar with this knife. This is the Z Hunter Depraved Black Spring-Assisted Knife. I believe there's a guy by the name of, Nick? Reviewed one of these on his channel. His was green. I know, everybody really likes the green one, but hey, I like the black one, so that's the one we're looking at. Another spring-assisted. Check out that serration, man. Almost looks like a saw. It's nuts. Liner lock, pocket clip. I like the open construction, back spacers. Cool knife. All right, up next. Oh, this one runs you about $5, by the way. For about $9. We have the Rite-Edge Talon Black Spring-Assisted Knife. I can't even look at this thing with a straight face. We got a skeleton, we've got tendons, blood vessels, I don't know, pointy vertebrae, long sharp teeth, and the craziest blade shape you've ever seen. That's called a hawkbill. And I don't know if that's meant to be an extension of his spine, but yeah, pretty good horror film style knife here. Liner lock, deep carry pocket clip, so you know, gotta have the best. And that one runs you about $9. Did I say that? I might have said that. All right, Frost Cutlery brings us the Skull Legion Black Spring-Assisted Knife with a really scary skull that's made out of spider webs, I think. And it's got a little black widow up there. Don't forget your ace of spades. I don't know if this is supposed to be some kind of haunted casino. Yeah, let's go with haunted casino. That was the design aesthetic for this knife. Pocket clip. Open construction, back spacers, spring assisted, and with some of the gnarliest serrations I have ever seen. It's insanity. I bet you could do some serious damage with that. There you go, liner lock. This one runs around $10. And this is just a gem. This is the Rite-Edge Dragon Motorcycle Manual Folding Knife. So we got a hybrid, I guess, of a dragon and a motorcycle here. And got a thumb hole opening. Really interesting upswept blade shape there. And probably the smallest liner lock I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it's locked up. It's not going anywhere, but that is just tiny. That's amazing. Got some good heft. What is this made of? Stainless steel. All stainless steel, the whole thing. So this one's around $6. All right, one of my personal favorites. Another Dark Side Blades, Viserion Red Spring-Assisted Knife. What is even happening here? We have Scary Dragon holding a skull in his claws. We have red flames and what looks to be the hands of Satan himself on either end. I'm trying to picture whoever like sat down and designed this. Yeah, let's put a dragon in there, and then, ooh, we should have a skull, and the skull should definitely have fangs, and let's put some random hands in there, like demon hands. Make it super scary. Nice spring assisted, gotta have the flames on the blade tip there. It's just the icing on the cake. Deep carry pocket clip once again. Liner lock. This one's just absolutely ridiculous and I love it. All right, we've got another Z Hunter coming up here. It was around $8 or $9. This is a beast of a knife. One of the biggest ones on our list today. Got some nice, some skulls there with biohazard symbol. Wait, is that biohazard or is that nuclear? I don't know. It's a symbol. It's supposed to be scary. Craziest blade shape. Probably crazier than the Hawkbill. Nice and hefty. Aluminum handle, liner lock. There's our pocket clip, another open construction knife. Throw a lanyard back there. I actually really like this one. I mean, I'm not personally into the whole blood spatter thing, but I don't know, there's something about this one that's just kind of cool. So, put that one down. And the piece de resistance. The Venom Stinger's Scorpion Detachable Dual Blade Fantasy Knife. We got scorpions. We got skeletonized stuff. We got 2 pocket clips because, in case you couldn't tell from the name, this turns into 2 knives. And each knife has 2 blades because you can never have enough blades on one knife. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I feel like I need to dress up as a ninja and just go do somersaults all over the office. I probably shouldn't do that, but this is just incredible. Oh, this is amazing. This one is right around $15. Can't even get it in the frame. Look at that. That's awesome. The question is how to close it. I've got liner locks. Gotta close this one backwards. Yeah, backwards. Interesting. So I guess one upside, these are like already lefty friendly. So there you go. All right, guys. This is just scratching the surface of the spooky, ridiculous, amazing, bizarre knives that we have on Grindworks. So check out today. We've got a whole bunch going on sale, and our little surprise that I told you about at the beginning, we're gonna give one of these away. So all you gotta do is leave us a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed and you like the video. And tell us which one of these beauties you'd like to bring home with you. And next Thursday, we will pick a winner and announce it on our Instagram. So make sure you're following us there too. All right, give us a comment. Which one do you like? Which one do you just have to buy and take home with you on this beautiful Halloween day? All right, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.